Crocodiles don't die of old age. They either die of starvations or diseases. In the wild, these bitches can live up to 70 years, and some have been recorded to live over 100. The biggest croc ever recorded was over 20 feet long, and this some bitch weighed over 2,000 pounds. His name was Gustav. Yeah, this motherfucker had a name. This motherfucking dude was a menace. He flatlined over 300 people. Till this day, Gustav is still alive. But the problem is, they don't know where the fuck dude at. It was last seen in the Burundi, located in East Africa. Flatlining humans was a sport. A lot of people he killed, he didn't eat. Other crocodiles were bitch made compared to this dude. Look at this shit. This motherfucker about to take everybody's cornbread. They even tried shooting this motherfucker in his head, but that shit ain't work. His skin is too fucking thick. Gustav is the only crocodile that will fuck up a hippopotamus. Now imagine touring this jungle and this long back motherfucker ambush you and start nibbling on your fucking spinal cord. It's over with for your ass. This son bitch is 100% real. They even made a movie about, bro. Go watch it. This shit good as hell.